Alright, welcome to Packet Tracer 3.2.3 Client Server Interaction. First of all, always follow directions and every project should be easier. First thing this all wants us to do is we got our PC and our server right here. And when Packet Tracer starts, it represents a logical view of network in real time. We want to be in simulation time. Click this button right there for simulation time. And it wants us to filter the events. Right here, it's going to want us to clear them all, so hit show all, none. Now all of them are cleared out. We want DNS and HTTP. Make sure you get only those two there and you see it right there, or else it will not run the simulation mode the way you want to when you click auto capture. The event list filters only shows those two now. We want to get a web page from our desktop, so it's best to just go click desktop. Click it here. It says go to the web browser. Type in www.example.com. Make sure that, see there, if I didn't get the E in there, it wouldn't have registered it correctly. So make sure this matches up perfectly with this right here. Click to go. We already have something popping up here for our PC showing the DNS server. It says minimize this window, and you're going to want to minimize that. Don't close it, because if you do, you're not going to be able to check to see if your simulation mode ran correctly when the auto capture play button gets hit. So down here, we want to hit auto capture play to see what's going to happen, right? It's going to show DNS servers popping up. And as you can see, it begins to provide the event representing the PC request to resolve the URL to an IP address. The server providing the IP address, the PC's request for the web page, the server sending the page into two segments. That's what this is going back and forth right here. A dialog box appears when you will be done. After a little while, I know as soon as we get to about 4 boxes down here, you can probably go check to see if your work's okay. And then when you do check to see if it's okay, you can hit OK. You can scroll down to see what's going to happen next. Just going to give it another second here. So now, let's just check here. Still not ready. It's getting there. Getting patient. You can speed it up. Make it hurry up. Okay. I think that's enough. Hit the button again. Let's go check our work. There it is. Small page, copyrights is exactly what we needed. And welcome to Packet Tracer 4.1, the best thing since Packet Tracer 4.0. When this shows up, you know that you did your job and you can check your work inside there. Now to examine, restore the simulated browser window. Notice there's a web page displayed. Minimize the simulated browser window. I first want to get out of this. So now that we know our work has been registered, we can even click on that. Copyrights. Okay, click out of that. Click out of here. Now we want to go to one of these PDU windows to check out the information and see what happened in this simulation auto capture mode. Port fast Ethernet. Ethernet double. Ethernet 2 header. There's the IP header, 19.2.168.1.1 IP address, desk IP. Layer 4 shows the UDP, and then it's on the DNS server. So when you're done with all that and you checked out PDUs, you can even check one more out if you're not satisfied. See how your HTTP looks. It's going to just have a couple different numbers. Not too much difference. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's 3.2.3. 3.2.3.2 client server interaction packet tracer video. Thanks for joining. Any comments or questions, let me know.